If you are worried and you are not able to decide whether your Google business profile is suspended, not verified, or what is the status, then I'll share a very easy tip through which you can get to know the status. Go to google.com/business and log in with the email through which you created the profile. The link is shown in the screen. On the screen you can see. Then guys, once you log in, there can be three cases. Number one, your profile is active. It will show something like this where you can edit all the options. Number two is your profile is not verified. In that case, you will get option like this, a get verified button where you can click, follow the process and verify your profile. Third is if it's suspended, it will show the message like this. If you are not able to treat the suspension on your own, then you can contact us. We deal in suspension removal services and provide a complete package. And guys, use gbpgm app to grow your profile to next level. It's an AI enabled tool to grow your Google business profile.